first point that I said was here you're building a physical product. So you can actually touch and feel that product, and not like a software where you create some application and then that gets hosted, someone downloads it. You're not there to see how the usage happens.
Right.
But in this case, you have something to hold, look, feel, see the transformation. That's the second point which I mentioned, that you have to see the transformation and the kick you will get to be part of this transformation. First to build a prototype, first to design the PCB. That's what we study traditionally in our engineering colleges, and not many would be working in this space, and that is what we should change. We are traditionally a superpower in software, but not so on hardware. But mind you, in hardware, again, we do very good work in designing, but manufacturing of a product is an area of improvement to us. So coming back, so the whole journey of first coming up with a prototype, then doing an engineering validation build, that's the second stage. So you do another iteration, then you do a design validation. That's the third step that you build. You build another product once again. Then you build a fourth iteration, which is a production validation test, to say that, hey, can this product be manufactured at scale? And then you start churning out units in thousands. And when you experience the whole process, this is not a one-to-one job. It takes sometimes 9 months to a year to 12 months for the whole journey to culminate. And then once you see this your design product getting manufactured, tens or 20,000s of those every month, and it gets flourished across the market and people are using it every day, that's the kick that you will not get in a software industry, I would say. The third part is largely what we covered earlier, is the nationalistic factor, right? Where we want to reduce our dependence on external country. We want to be self-sufficient, and this is the right time because industry is flourishing. There are a lot of opportunities, and this cuts across industry. It is not just electronics is applicable in defense industry. It is there in consumer electronics. It is there in logistics. You name it, medical electronics. You name it, everywhere you will find electronics. So coming up with innovative products, designing, manufacturing, there are a whole area, right from on the business side to the product design side, to the mechanical engineering side, to the packaging, shipment, logistics, customs. There is a whole piece involved in terms of job creation that this industry can do.